Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can add a beautiful glow effect to your text in Canva application. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application and after that click on text and select a heading and write here text. For example, I write glow effect and after that you have to adjust the size of this text. So after that you have to select the text and change the color of text. For example, I want to make this text red, so I will click on red and after that click on text and move to the right, and from here effects you can see, click on it and move to the right. From here you can see neon option, click on it and you can see our glow effect on the text is added. So to adjust this glow effect, click on these three lines and from here you can adjust the intensity of the glow effect. If I move to the left, then intensity of the glow effect is decreased, but if I move this line to the right, then you can see the intensity of this glow effect is increasing gradually. So guys, you can see we have successfully added a beautiful glow effect to our text in Canva application. So in this way you can add a beautiful glow effect to your text in Canva application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.